As a child, I grew up very close to forests, so I use a lot of my time outdoors creating with my hands, building, carving, and those things just kept on going. Now I'm a full-time woodworker, bowl turner. Used to be a full-time spoon carver, but it's a bit hard on my hands, so now it's mainly bowl turning. The tools I use is knives, gouges, turning tools for my bowl turning. Great tools and great quality is very important, but the most important part is sharp tools. The Tormek for me is just a game changer. I couldn't sharpen my things as precise and making things as sharp as I can on that machine. When it comes to spoon carving or making the outside with the gouges, you can make it like silky smooth surfaces or cuts with razor sharp tools. You know, getting that crazy edge on a tool it's just so important. The collaboration with Jordnær is for me really interesting because they have their kind of demands, but they're still letting me do my finish and do my signature. Delicate, fine dining food just looks way more appealing and nice on smaller plates. So the combination of glass and the white lining, the white background, and you know, it just looks super good. And the thing that they want me to make it is I feel very fortunate and grateful. I went from carving spoons at home to making a company and making wooden things for Michelin restaurants and customers. So, you know, the growth were pretty crazy. And in my private life too, because, you know, 4 kids and a wife, that's there's also a lot of things there. But as in the beginning, as a child, when I was in the forest, you know, I still enjoy going to the forest. I really relax a lot. I source a lot of materials for my crafts. And when you're out there, you know, just breathe and be there and go back at home and make some more wooden bowls and things, you know, everything's gonna be okay.